Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can set an image as your banner background for your websites and pages you create on Wix in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to website, open it through the website editor on Wix, and you can do this with any image you add to your website project. I added this channel logo for demonstration purposes. If you don't know how to do this, guys, here in the website editor, click into Add Elements, select Image, select Upload and Import, and next Upload Images. Next, select the source here, like Google Drive or your device, and click into this button to locate the file on your device, add it to your library, select it, click into this button here in the bottom right to add it to your page. Now, as you can see, it has been added to that page, but to the wrong section, not to the banner. So if you'd like to make it your banner background, you will need to do the following. Move it onto your banner. And after that, what you want to do is right click and select Set Image as Background. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we see you next time on our channel.